two knives you'll be using is a boning knife and a chef's knife. For the first step, you'll cut open your chicken. And lay it breast side down, or back side down. You'll start out by cutting the skin between the leg and the breast. And then once the leg and the skin's cut between the leg and the breast, you'll break its back. And then you'll cut the back off with the chef's knife. After that, you'll separate the two legs and the thighs. I use a rag to push down on my knife so I don't cut my hand. After that, you'll look for the joint between the leg and the thigh. There is a white line of fat between the thigh and the leg where the joint is. After that, you'll cut the wings off. There is a joint on the back part of the chicken. You'll cut down on that and take a little piece of breast. Once that is done, you'll come along the back of the spine, cut into it. Once you're done that, for this, I'm going to do boneless breasts. So for that, you'll hold the bird like this, and there's a bone in between the two breasts. And you'll cut along it like this. And the bone on the breast, you can follow with your boning knife, and it'll come off really nice. As that. And you'll repeat that step with the other side. And that is the 8 cut for the chicken.